Hello ladies, welcome back to the channel. It is week 1 of Baddie Bootcamp, and the first mission is simple. It's to show up for myself every single day. By the end of this week, I want to look back and be proud of all the hard work that I've put in. So while making these videos in real time is a little bit vulnerable and feels a little bit difficult at times, if making these videos is going to help motivate my future self or even one of you, then a win is a win. For me, Baddie Bootcamp is all about establishing new routines and making them stick. In order to make sure that happens, I need to remove the drama and stop overthinking. No more questioning, oh, am I gonna show up for myself today? Am I gonna go to the gym today? All that indecisive energy has to be clipped because a baddie is not gonna be negotiating with her goals. Like, that's crazy. Throughout this journey, I want prioritizing my health and wellness to become second nature. And it gets to be easy with cute little mindset shifts. For example, the gym is not a chore that I have to mentally prepare for anymore. Instead, I'm choosing to look at it as a luxury that I'm honored to indulge in. I made a nice little lime and bubbly refresher. I'm gonna get my little iPad and I'm gonna head down to the gym. All right. Hello ladies, reporting live from my new home base. Okay, let me get serious. Am I new to fitness? No. In my 20s, I did everything from Pilates to Orange Theory to Flywheel to Pure Barre. I used to go to Equinox, and I even hosted an Instagram live with Fabletics with one of my trainers. Shout out to you, Christy. So fitness is not something that's new to me. The thing about Baddie Bootcamp that's going to be different this time is I'm really flying solo for most of it, and while I do have a fitness coach through Weight Watchers that I meet with who can support me, I really have to come to the gym and do everything on my own. So that's really the major difference between past and present. I am what you can call an endomorph. For those of you wondering what that means, endomorphs have curvy bodies, they have wide hips, big bones, and they hold majority of their weight in their lower body. And it's extremely easy for endomorphs to gain weight, and it's really difficult for them to lose weight. And this is all according to WebMD, y'all. So I'm not just making this up. It's rooted in fact. And as an endomorph, my body loves to hold on to fat, especially around the hips and the midsection. And so I need to be really strategic with the way that I'm working out. So get used to seeing me in this background. This is my gym. This is my home away from home. And this is where we'll be getting busy during Baddie Bootcamp. How's it going?
It's going well. And yourself?
I'm good.
And you were looking for kind of a game plan, right? Like, what am I supposed to do when I'm in there?
Yes, I would love to have an exercise routine I could do, like maybe a lower body, maybe a full body, maybe an upper body that I can feel like, okay, I don't have to make things up in my head or try to see what's on TikTok.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what I would love for your help with.
We're gonna keep you off TikTok.
Yeah.
Yep. So one bucket is steps. Bucket number 2 is strength. And then bucket number 3 is aerobics, okay?
Okay.
This usually is expressed by VO2 Max. Do you have an Apple Watch?
I have an Aura Ring.
So your training block is week 1, and then you can write in the amount of weight that you're using. Does that make sense so far?
Yep, makes sense.
Perfect. As soon as I get that program together, I'll send it over to you, and I'll give you my follow-up link, and we can catch up in the New Year's, all right?
Yep.
All right, bye.
Sounds good.
Hi everybody! I hope you're doing good. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. These songs are lit. Yeah. One, here and here, hop, 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 back. Here, one, two, up and down, here, da, 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 hop, hop, back. Okay, I like that one. Oh yeah, that's the dance. Ha ha! Hey! You don't know what, Charlize? She could be a good trainer before Carnival. Yeah. I am so happy that I did my little dance workout today. I didn't feel like going to the gym, but I knew I had to show up today. So I said, let me do a little dance video. And you know, it was really nice. Charlize, how do you think I did? You did great. I did good. I did good. Oh, I love watching Tara's Baddie. I felt like that was such an advanced dance class, and the way that she broke the moves down with her partner, it was easy for me to grasp. I feel like by the last set, I was feeling confident about the choreography. So shout out to Tara from Tara's Baddie for helping me achieve my goals today. I love you so much, girl. I can't wait to take more of your classes during Baddie Bootcamp.
This week, I need to make up about that. I don't feel like waking up early.
Yeah. The
Even though it
everyday
takes me 10
space
minutes.
is
I need to get out of that habit because that's when I'm going to be working. I can't be doing that.
doing what? What you talking about?
You know, I feel like I don't care about my appearance.
Right. No,
That's what
no,
really
that's a slippery slope.
Exactly.
That's a slippery slope. You always have to care about your appearance.
Exactly. It's important.
Yep, because once you just... And that's the thing about the pandemic that got me. Because I feel like that's when I was like, oh, I'm not going outside. I'm not doing anything. Let me just wear my sweats. Let me just watch a show. Let me just eat. Walking around looking like whatever. And then brands were sending me stuff so I could just get the size up. Oh, gosh. Anyway, PTSD jail.
Okay.
This outfit I think is so cute. So it's a black outfit with velvet overlay. Stop laughing at me. I'm just gonna show the outfit like this. I'm just gonna do a voiceover because this is too much. Right. And I'm a little sweaty now, so.
To my sister,
I'm.
may you always be satisfied.
Okay, Hamilton.
You know.
Charlize, please. Charlize is making some poached salmon.
I'm not making salmon.
Oh, sorry, poached shrimp. Hi, Saad. How are you? So I just did a workout.
Everyone.
Saad is our neighbor.
Feeding you guys.
And he brought us biryani. His mom is here.
Yeah, he can be a little.
But Michael, my
New York City.
I was lazy. That's the reason. My mom kept on like telling me to go to the Indian store and get it. But
Yeah, you could have got everything you needed.
Saad, you messed up the recipe.
I did.
It's good though. It's good. Why are you letting other people pet you? When I try to pet her, she bites me.
Oh no, she loves me. I've never seen her like.
She loves Saad. It's like kind of
Shiloh, you're
annoying.
male-centered.
Yeah, she is. Oh my god, totally.
Oh, that's
Hey ladies, so I wanted to show you two of the outfits that I got, one from Fabletics and another from Savage. So this red outfit is from Fabletics. I thought it'd be perfect for the holiday season. I got the bottom in a 3X and I got the top in a 2X because the 3X was not available. So I'm hoping that as the journey goes on, this becomes a little bit looser because I like my gym clothes to fit a little bit more on the loose side. But I could use this for like days and I'm just gonna do like a walk or something like that's light work, nothing too involved, because I hate when my clothes are like moving around too much, which is why I like to wear loose clothing when I'm doing more lifting and things that require a lot of like movement. But this is really cute. Okay, and I also got this top and bottom from Savage Fenty. It's a little snug, so I'm wearing it with my little jacket, but I think it's super cute.
Let the way you touch my body, run it back, get body. I never tell nobody. Let the way you touch my body, run it back, get body. I never tell nobody. I really need somebody. Tell me you that somebody. I don't care about your body. Let the way you touch my body, run it back, get body. I never tell nobody. Baby, tell me what you in the mood for. Tight shit, we should get a room for it. Got me in American cute for it. Like that, let me show you what I do for it.